guys, it's Awesome Things 2.0 back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make toy chain handcuffs into hinged handcuffs. So the things that you'll need are zip ties and some scissors. So let's get into it. Grab any type you want. And it has to be a short kind or long kind, whatever you want. I want gray to kind of match. Silver to gray to kind of match the silver. So there's a little hoop right here. You want to feed zip tie into the loop. Okay, so now it's like this. Now there's another one. You want to feed it through that one. And now you want to tighten it as much as you can. So you just gotta feed it through the small little loop right here with the camera focus. Okay, you saw it, I hope so. Then just feed it through there, tighten it all the way up, as tight as you possibly can get it. And then this is when your scissors come in handy. You don't want to just have it like this. Hi, I have hinged handcuffs. You're like, what is that? You need to cut that off. That's why you have your scissors. And you just gotta cut it off. There you go. Hinged handcuffs. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see you guys. I'm going to do a duty belt update in about like a second. So bye.